Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. It's lunchtime. We have some zucchini going. We made a fresh pot of rice. 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Cooked it for 20 minutes. And we have some pinto beans going. So that's what's for lunch today. There's a bay leaf or 2 in here. Oh, there they are. So you season them how you like. Put a little oil in there and let them cook for about an hour or 2, depending on how tender you want them. And that, my friends, is what's for lunch today. And here we go. Since the beans need a little bit more time, I'm going to just go ahead and get started. Little taste test, you know. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.